going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and this one's going to be a two-part, basically making it and reviewing it. I'm going to make hot Dr. Pepper.
What?
What is hot Dr. Pepper? I will let you know. So let's get into this. So on this one, yes, I'm making Dr. Pepper, hot Dr. Pepper, not spicy Dr. Pepper, not cold Dr. Pepper, hot Dr. Pepper. I believe it was 1960s, a lady, and it's basically regular Dr. Pepper is for the summertime, for those hot, burning, hot summers. It's basically just for wintertime, you would think, right? Yes, it is. There's two ingredients for this one. Very easy. A regular Dr. Pepper, slice of lemon. Let's go ahead and try making hot Dr. Pepper. Get a pan. Oh, here we go. Fresh Dr. Pepper. Make sure it's regular, because I don't know. Oh, look at it roll. So we already know what it tastes like. Let's go ahead and taste it regularly, and then get to it. Ordinary Dr. Pepper. So now you just pour as much as you would think. So, you know, pour enough. And then basically, that should be good for, I don't want to drink too much, just in case that's it. There you go. Now you get your lemon, and then you just, you know, get a slice. Like, there's my lemon sliced up. Got it all sliced. You can put it as much as you want, thin, thick, whatever. You just need one piece anyway. It's warming up. It's doing its thing. Carbonation's doing its thing. It's bubbling, so
20 minutes later.
it's boiling as much as it needed. It did say it was a half hour, or let's go ahead and pour it in our decent nice cup with the lemon. So I'll get like that, put it in a cup, and then let that cool down a little bit, pour it in, and we've got our hot Dr. Pepper for the winter time.
A few moments later.
Hot Dr. Pepper. Just like that, with the lemon on it. Dang, looking good. And then that's how you make hot Dr. Pepper. Basically, Dr. Pepper, boiled Dr. Pepper, half hour, 15 minutes, 20 depending. Slice of lemon. There you go. You have your winter, warm, cozy drink for winter time. Or you got a regular Dr. Pepper, ice cold one for the summer. Ain't nothing wrong with that, right? Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to smash that like button, hit that notification bell, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what your thoughts are on this. But I am Krazie Ryder, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.